Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a chat shortcut in Snapchat with the latest updates. Let's go through the steps together. To get started, open the Snapchat app on your Android device, providing you with the ability to create shortcuts for your chats for quick and easy access. Tap on the chat icon located at the bottom of the screen, giving you access to your conversations and contacts within Snapchat. Next, tap on the three dots positioned at the top right corner of the screen to reveal additional options and settings for customization. From the menu that appears, select New Shortcut to begin the process of creating a personalized chat shortcut. Select the contact you wish to create a shortcut for, ensuring that you have quick access to your conversations with that specific person. Once you've selected the contact, tap on Create Shortcut located at the bottom of the screen to finalize and create the shortcut. By following these simple steps, you can create personalized chat shortcuts in Snapchat, making it easier to stay connected with your friends and contacts. Utilize this feature in Snapchat to streamline your messaging experience and access your chats with just a tap on the created shortcut. Thank you for watching this tutorial. We hope it has been informative in demonstrating how to create chat shortcuts in Snapchat with the latest updates. Start creating your shortcuts today and enjoy seamless communication with your friends on Snapchat.